What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get free money to invest with Acorns Referral bonus coming up. Hey, it's Kevin J. Pino. So, I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers, and if you're new here on this channel, we like to talk about affiliate marketing and how to build an online business from the comfort of your own home or mobile device. If you want to learn the strategies, tactics, tips, and products and tools that you can use to do that, make sure you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. So let's jump into Acorns Referral bonus. The reason why I would use this site in itself is it makes investing easy. It helps you automate your investing, whether you're saving for college, if you're saving up for your kids for a large expense, your retirement accounts. One simple thing that a lot of people that buy a house when they're getting older, millennials, we're getting older, we miss one thing. You have to pay for the roof to be replaced after you actually buy the house. It's good to put some money aside, and Acorns is a good app to start using it. You can start as little as $5 a week and grow from there. But here's the thing, we're talking about the referral bonus and how you can get free money doing it. First off, why you can do it. It's a simple strategy. You're just sharing it with people. If you know affiliate marketing, it's a very simple strategy to do. You can make a video just like this one. But the reason I want to use something like this, outside of just the security reasons and the cashback bonuses, and Warren Buffett recommends it, is, let's go to my email. Every now and again, you'll get this here. Share our Acorns with friends and family. Invite 4 friends and get $200. 4 people. Okay? Send it as a gift. If they sign up and fund their accounts with $5, all right, and go on the automated system, you will get $200. Now, this comes about every now and again. They will send you this. Last time they sent it to me, they were like, I want $100, and then a week later they were like, we're upping it to $150, and now it's up to $200 just for referring for 4 people. If you know 4 people that need to start saving some money and getting into the stock market without taking a big risk, this is the way to do it. This is why you want to promote this. Let's see, and I'll show you where you can grab it. Just go here, scroll all the way down into your account, click on this right here, 5 for you, 5 for them. Let's see. What you would do is click on any one of these. If I wanted to send it out to Twitter or Facebook or just get the link, I can copy the link, go to wherever I want to go to. Go here. This is what paste and go. When anyone opens up this link, they're going to see this. Your friend sent you a gift. They'll confirm, sign up, get a code, sign up, put money in the account, and you will make $200 and $5 every time you bring someone else in. So I'll talk about some added benefits to this, or why you should probably start using it in the first place. It's a very logical thing. First off, investing. They use a lot of ETFs. What an ETF is an exchange-traded fund, which is just a basket of pieces of a company, all in one little piece, little basket that you can buy and sell throughout the business day. It'll help you. Let's see. You have the Acorns Invest, that's really low. Acorns for later, which is your IRA, which is a retirement account, which you're not going to touch money until 59.5. That's a good way to go. A Roth IRA is actually more beneficial. I'll leave a card explaining what all these types of all these accounts are to a playlist I put together up above. Let's see. What am I investing in? Right here, exchange traded funds. It's just baskets of different funds. And they have their own custom portfolios. If you are a person who doesn't like to take a lot of risk, you can get a bond fund, which are lower risk investments but less returns. You can do a balanced fund or moderate, where it's stocks and bonds, or you can go really aggressive if you want fly by your night, get rich quick, lose money quick. You can go very aggressive. But we're starting with small amounts of money, just $5 or more, all right? I honestly want to keep this quick for you. So I will leave a link in the description below. You can go down, grab my link, You sign up, put $5 in. I will send you $5. So that's $10. All right. It's 100% return your money already. And then you can share this as well with your friends, families, coworkers. Make a video just like this and share your code. Send it out to your email list. Promote it however you want. But you will get those bonuses. Eventually, you will get an email where they offer $200. If you get 4 people to sign up, you'll get $200. If not, you'll get $5 for everything there. Now, if you want to learn how to promote even better and get an education on how to build a business outside of $5 for each little referral, down in the description below, I'll leave a link to my #1 recommendation to build a full-time income online. It is a 15-day business builder challenge. I am affiliated with them. I make a small commission at no additional charge to you. It's only $7 to do 15 days. They'll teach you how to do copywriting, how to build a sales funnel, how to write emails, how to market, how to find great products, how to promote high-ticket affiliate products. I'm not making income claims, but there are things where it is potential that you could make $1,000 commissions, potentially, but I'm not going to say you're going to do that. I don't know how hard you're going to work. It depends on you. It depends on the effort you put in. And it's no guarantee that you can do that. But if you want to put in the effort and learn the skills to do it, go down in the description below. It'll be the first link there. And make sure you check out the next video.